An historic Supreme Court decision on gun rights, or was it? The Supreme Court struck down a New York gun control law, and we're looking into how that will affect us here in Indiana, if at all. With so many court decisions and laws on a state and local level, it can be hard to keep track of it all. WRTV's Kayla Molander breaks down everything you need to know as the laws change.
No right is absolute. Not the Second Amendment, not the First Amendment. Absolute freedom without any restrictions is anarchy. And the founders were absolutely opposed to anarchy.
Thursday morning, the Supreme Court struck down a New York gun control law. It required people to prove their lives were in danger in order to get a permit to carry a gun in public. Gun rights activists across the nation rejoiced. IUPUI political science professor Dr. Pierre Atlas says that this decision won't impact our laws here in Indiana.
Because what the Supreme Court ruled today was on a type of carry permit system that New York had that, frankly, Indiana did not have.
But Atlas says that this does indicate what we can come to expect from this Supreme Court and how it could affect future generations.
This is going to be a field day for conservatives who want to sort of redefine a lot of civil liberties.
The Supreme Court isn't the only body in Washington tackling gun control. The U.S. Senate is working on the Bipartisan Safer Communities Act. If passed, it could enhance background checks and incentivize states to act on red flag laws. But Atlas says it doesn't have much teeth.
There's nothing related to high-capacity magazines, certainly no anything related to assault weapons, anything like that. That's untouchable.
While all eyes may have been on the Supreme Court this afternoon, local activists on both sides of this issue say that decisions right here out of the State House are much more likely to affect us right here in Indiana.
On July 1st, permitless carry goes into effect in Indiana. You'll still need a background check when buying from a store, but you'll no longer have to be fingerprinted. Atlas says this will have a bigger impact than the Supreme Court decision, but Atlas cautions everyone to keep a cool head. The struggle to define the Second Amendment will continue.
There are more guns in the United States than there are people. 44% of American households report having guns in their homes. Guns are here to stay.
Working for you, Kayla Molander, WRTV.
Tonight, the Safer Communities gun legislation passed in the Senate and now moves to the House, where it's also expected to pass.